back into it. Got the boys down here, Mr. Shu, Angus. Hopefully we get the Laufiro rolling today. Fingers crossed. Because the clutch wasn't too healthy in the other one. I don't know what I didn't do anything wrong, but it just fucking didn't work. So fingers crossed this sorts it out. Otherwise it's a bit more sinister in the gearbox, but that all checked out, spins and whatnot. So we got a new flywheel going in. Nice lightweight poppy. Nice lightweight Johnny.
Couple of ugga-duggers.
Yeah, that's tight. We'll throw the torque wrench on it.
Is it set up?
No, it's 140 pounds, I think. 146 foot-pounds.
Foot-pounds?
Yeah, something like that. So, yeah, we're into it. Fingers crossed we get it going.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And then the pressure plate's 60. But, yeah, no, I got the crown all WAF legal too. WAF ride height. Damn. And yeah, it had a flat battery when I pulled in, so that was pretty ratchet. So I was just giving it a wee charge now. Nothing to see here. And, yeah. Charge that alternator up. Not bad. Yeah, these could be fucking cousins. Mine's like the ugly younger brother to the Cefiro. Yeah, into it. And it's a night for gearboxes because we've got to finish off another bit of footage from the other day. There's Shu and his Laurel. Fucking third gear didn't last too long. I think we fucking jinxed it.
Oops.
Isn't that right? But yeah, no, set up a wee time lapse to see what I can get, and we'll just get it going. Fuck up. That's ASMR. I haven't heard it. Bump it. Put it down.
Oh yeah.
Bump it. Oh.
Doof, doof. Is it on your face now?
Nah, that's why I moved.
See, Matt didn't think of that.
Yeah, pump it by hand.
Right, ready?
Yeah, pump it.
I hear it getting hard now. It's not big enough.
Hold it down.
Hold on, just wait. Yeah.
Bump it.
Just bump it, eh?
Just fucking pump it,
You
bro.
better be bumping.
Pump it, bro. I'll get him. I don't know. I'm still a noob at this, bro. How those semis doing anyway, bruv?
Big squirt, look at that one.
Hey?
Bump it.
Yeah, bro, slap her in there. That's the fucking feed. Sponsored by Repco. Cheers, Repco.
That feels good now, bro.
Oh, don't
That's what she said.
Just drop it. Okay, all the way.
Only 5 guys could have fun pumping and completing a class.
Hold it.
Harder.
Oh, he looks tiny in the car.
Yeah, bro, he looks like a man-child, eh?
Remember?
Yeah. But go for a driving car, Papa? Papa, you want to drive car?
Looks like a little kid that's just been told off, right?
Clutches are a cunt to leave, bro.
No, it wasn't.
They're easier than
I'm
brakes.
used to it in my phone.
Nah, come on, mate.
I do everything possible to avoid bleeding brakes, eh?
Brakes are all good. Start the furthest point away.
Yeah.
That's the middle.
Yeah, that is a good trick, mate.
Send it up.
Send her up, Shag.
No, James, what did we have to do? Oh,
That was it, wasn't it?
start it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, let me just wipe this. Right up the tree.
Scan the ignition.
No, I got mine. Oh, yeah.
Sponsored by Valvoline.
Wait, what do you mean?
Get
Wait,
it.
so all Laurel keys kind of fit each other? Are you fucking serious?
What are we doing now, Zach?
Buttoning up a couple of things.
Shooting at other men.
That means business when you know the battery's in, bro. Car stuff. Car stuff. You not like that one, bro? Oh, come on, bro. It wasn't too bad.
I didn't see nothing.
Does the horn still work? It's on a button. Down to the right.
Oh, there's the fucking top bell housing bolt.
Oh, the one that's... Don't worry about it.
On the other
It's not
side.
connected, that's why. We don't need the one. I don't know what that's for.
Hey, first startup. Here we go. Oh, rookie driver.
Hey, fucking turn them off. It ain't raining inside, buddy.
He's too pissed already. Why is he behind the wheel? He's their most qualified driver. Just give it a bit more. How old is the fuel?
Wait.
How old is the
We
fuel?
just stuck.
Do you have a separate igniter? Don't know.
Make sure that the cast plug's on properly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just keep trying to start it and just give it keep cranking it and see what happens.
It's almost ready.
Yeah.
It sounds like a serious swap.
Right. Yeah, prime it. No fuel pump. Fuel pump's there.
I'll leave the reds on because the requirement is constant.
No, it'll be not anything down here. Hold on, I might have fixed it.
Several days later.
What do you have to say for yourself? We fixed it. Whee! Sounds gnarly, mate. Yeah, shout out to Aaron for finding a blown fuse. Oh, I probably should have checked there, but you know, that's oh yeah, plus the one of the spark plugs that come out of the Laufiro motor was rooted. Yeah, heavy days. fucking few beans, mate. Super crisp. 25D conversion down. The old RB20 delete, if you will. Yeah, I'd already done the piston delete. The RB did. The 20 did.